What if the trees, flowers, and grass around you could speak? Imagine walking through a park where every plant had a voice.
The rose unfurls, a new day's embrace.
Sharing secrets, warnings, or even wisdom from centuries of silent growth. How would humanity change if the green world finally broke its silence? At first, the shock would be overwhelming. Plants might call out as we pass, introducing themselves or whispering to each other like neighbors.
Hello there!
A single walk through the forest would feel like entering a crowded marketplace, filled with voices rising from every branch and leaf. The quiet of nature would never be the same. Some plants have lived for thousands of years. Giant redwoods and ancient bristlecone pines might remember entire civilizations. They could tell us about climates long past, storms that shaped the land, or even events lost to human history. Plants could become living libraries, guardians of Earth's deepest memory. But if plants could talk, what would they say about us? Would forests beg us to stop cutting them down? Would crops scream during harvest? Humanity might be forced to rethink food itself. Eating bread or salad could suddenly feel like cruelty. The ethics of survival would become more complicated than ever before.
Unlock the secrets within nature.
On the other hand, communication with plants could change science forever.
We are seeing an accelerated biofeedback loop with the nutrient introduction.
Remarkable. The oscillation amplitude is increasing significantly.
Farmers could ask crops what nutrients they need. Botanists might learn cures for diseases hidden in roots and leaves. Rainforests could guide us to plants with secrets for medicine, energy, or even extending human life. Nature would become the greatest teacher we ever had. Our daily lives would transform. People might adopt plants the way they adopt pets, forming friendships with trees in their backyard.
Thank you for bringing us so much joy.
We love you too, caretaker.
Cities might design parks not only for beauty, but for conversation. A stroll down the street could mean dozens of greetings, not just from neighbors, but from flowers blooming along the sidewalk. But what if it became too much? Billions of plants speaking at once could overwhelm us. Forests could turn into deafening soundscapes, filled with countless overlapping voices. Humanity might develop technology to filter or translate plant speech, choosing which voices to hear and which to silence. If plants could talk, they might change the way we see life itself. We would no longer live on Earth alone. We'd be sharing it with billions of new voices. Perhaps their first message would be simple: "We've been here all along. Are you finally ready to listen?"